So here we are, Hope Island Marina, and doing more jobs. Solar installation, which is basically an upgrade of my old system, using the proper solar connectors. So I'm upgrading from 140 watts of solar to 500 watts of solar, which is a huge increase, with one panel installed on the transom, one 250 watt panel, and then a second one to go on the coach roof. The coach roof is a shady place, and it's not an ideal place to put a solar panel, but on a tiny boat like our boat, there's not many choices. You could hang it on the stanchions, which is not very seaman-like in my opinion, so that's a compromise, but it still draws pretty well. You try and keep any lines off it. So upgrading the panels to that extent requires also increasing massively the controller. So I use an intelligent controller, an MPPT, and it's a 50 amp unit I've bought. This is a no-name brand, and it's by no means ideal. Ideally you should get a named brand, but they're very expensive. This equivalent would have been this cost me about $60. It would have been about $300 in a named brand. So it's a bit of a compromise. You install the panel power, you install the battery outlet, and then you install the connector to the house electrics. If you don't know what you're doing, do not guess. Get a marine electrician to do it, and because solar can cause fires. So the next thing I looked at was buying a smart battery charger. Because of the very bad weather in 2022, I've installed a smart battery charger and bought a small petrol generator set, a 2000 watt petrol generator, which only can be used on deck. You can't use in confined spaces. So first thing to do is commission it, to put sump oil in it, and it's noisy. Lots of installations here, lots of inputs. You've got 220 volt inputs. You've got a cigarette lighter input. You can run power tools. So here I am. I've moved now to the marina around Hope Island to do some work with Maritimo, to do a job with them, Maritimo yachts. And again, it's my floating office Skybird, so I simply move Skybird to whatever job I'm doing up there. And this is Hope Harbour Marina. I was at Hope Island Marina. This is Hope Harbour Marina, and it's on Hope Island, and I enjoy walking around the island. It's very tranquil, and there's quite a lot of moorings. It's quite shallow here. There's not many keel boats, but there's good facilities. You get off the island and there's the Thai restaurant, which I enjoy. I particularly like a French dry rosé wine. And it's quite a quiet place to be, Hope Island. You're away from the Gold Coast, and pretty tranquil.